my colleagues, let me again reiterate my deep appreciation for the confidence placed on me to lead our sub-regional organization as chair of the authority during the last 1 year. I sincerely thank you for the valuable support extended to me throughout the period. I acknowledge and commend the giant strides made by ECOWAS in this regard. I also commend our individual and collective efforts towards the promotion of good governance, peace, stability, and social-economic development in our sub-region. The overall appreciable progress we have made, particularly in the field of political governance, our sub-region continues to face considerable security challenges. We are all witness to the recurring incidents of inter-communal clashes, hardest farmers' conflicts, banditry, and terrorist attacks in all our countries. These threats, you will agree with me, have consequences on the peaceful coexistence between our communities and peoples, as well as their livelihoods. These arrests also undermine all our efforts in achieving full regional integration. It is therefore necessary that we act collectively to end this menace in the interest of regional stability and well-being of our people. Let me offer, on behalf of all of us, our sincere sympathies and condolences to the families of the victims of terrorist attacks, banditry, and inter-communal clashes perpetrated by some misguided elements in our societies. We shall not relent in our efforts to protect our peace-loving people and their properties while vigorously sustaining the war against terrorism and criminality. I will conclude my remarks by wishing us fruitful deliberations. I hereby declare open the 55th Ordinary Session of the ECOWAS Authority of Heads of State and Government. I thank you for your attention.